If there are tools that you would like to use from an existing CAM project or from a tab tool library of a previous SolidCAM version, ToolKit makes it easy to import them. Let's look at two examples. Here I have a part tool library with a couple of tools defined. Let's say the remaining tools that we need for this CAM part were recently defined in another CAM project. We can import them using the Import from CAM Tool Table option here on the toolbar. When we click the arrow icon, the Import dialog box is displayed. Tools can be imported from either type of CAM part, non-compressed PRT or compressed PRZ. Let's now browse to and select the CAM part file from which we want to import the tools. When we click Open, all the tools existing in the selected CAM part file appear in an external window. We can view each tool by simply selecting it in the tool table list. To import them to our current part tool library, we can use the Mount commands in the right-click menu. Or we can choose the tools we want, then click Select to import them, and simultaneously close the external window. And just like that, the tools we need to finish our CAM project are now imported. It's just as easy to import tools from a tab tool library of a previous version. To start, we'll go to the toolbar and click the arrow icon again. This time, when the Import dialog box is displayed, we'll select tab files for the file type and then go grab the tab tool library we want to use for importing. The external window appears, and we'll see our tab tools are converted to ToolKit tool assemblies, viewable in the Tool Item Manager. We can import our tools exactly as we did before. When the external window is closed, you'll notice that the tools also appear in the selection pane. From here, it's also possible to import one or more tools into our current part tool library. Note, when selecting multiple tools, they are imported in sequence and are assigned the next available tool numbers or positions in magazine. If not already taken, the tool numbers from import will be preserved. If necessary, tools can be easily reordered in the tool table list by clicking and dragging like so. And tools can be renumbered using the Renumber Tools option.